Alright, new project, Nintendo DS Lite. Ended up buying this at a garage sale. Brought it home, charged it up, and it doesn't work. So here's a power button. I slide it up, and as you can see, nothing. Now, when I go ahead and charge it, plug it in, it lights up red, and within about, 7 seconds, it goes out. I do have another DS, which I took out the battery and put it in here, and it's not the battery. So, I think it's something inside, but I think it was dropped. And why do I say that? I hear something loose in there. So let's take it apart and see if we can fix this. All right. Now, I know that there's a loose part in here somewhere. Where is that part? That is loose. Oh, here it is. Right there. That's the problem right there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to check the fuses, and then if that turns out good, then I know that it's just this unit here. Let's see. Here's the first fuse. It's good. Second one. Ooh, this one's probably gone. Nope. It's good. It's just a connection. Let me see here. Yep. Alright, so that's going to be an easy fix if I can locate where this goes. It is only a 2-prong. That's a 3-prong. Maybe. No, it's not Q6. Nope. Wait. Oh, I found it. Right here. L2. Right there. That's where it broke off. L2. Alright, it's going to add some flux over here. Okay. Alright, that looks pretty good. Should I go ahead and solder this with the heat gun? I think so. Let me go ahead and try something. Hold on. Got this here. Just going to add a little solder on here if I can. Never did that before. Let's see. I'll probably burn the table here. I guess it does add. Okay. Ooh, too much. Holy crap. You know what? I don't care. I can take that out. Wow. Okay. Very good. Very, very good. Okay. Try to avoid the heat gun because all these other components are so close. But if I have to, I will. Just a bad angle, yeah. I think I got that one. Okay. Get this other side here. Oof. Oop. I think I got it, but it's just... There you go. Well, I got it. I think that's it. It looks a little shitty, but you know what? Big old blob there. It won't come out ever again. You can drop it. It'll be alright. Before I put it back together, I'm just going to test it just to make sure that it's okay. Hopefully I didn't burn out the component. I see another part over there. Did I break it? I hope I didn't break that. It seems alright. It's just this part here. Very close. Hard to see on camera there. See that? Made some kind of like little mark on there. Let me put the battery in, and then we'll see if it works or not. I believe it goes this way, right? Yeah. That. And then she turns on. Did a good job. If not, we're back to the drawing board. Oh, it's already turning on. There it is. As you can see. Yep. Beautiful. Works. It was that component. Take the battery out, so it's all right. I'm going to go ahead and clean this all up with some alcohol and brush it all off. I'm also going to go ahead and clean all this up. Will it work or not? Let me shut this light. Here we go. It's turning on. That's a success, my friends. Thanks for coming in, checking out this quick video. Until the next one, take care. Assassin's Creed. Alright, works. Very good. Happy with that. On to the next project we go.